Hey guys, so I did a nice little driving thing with the camera on the windshield and it was nice, and I even put my seatbelt on this time, but yeah, I can't find the SD card or something. It's gone. I got all the SD cards except for that one. Don't forget about the drone giveaway at 20,000. We are headed up there pretty quick. We are gonna get there, I think, sometime pretty soon. Giving away a Phantom 4. Just be subscribed for that. You do not want to miss it. So I shot this video. I didn't really explain what was going on with the truck. So for anyone that's new here, that's what this video is about. The truck sprang developed a fuel leak. Turns out it was the return fuel line. It was like a plastic fitting. As I said, everything plastic on this truck's after braking, and that was no different. Anyways, this video is more about how the dealer helped me and dealt with it. So yeah, I guess we'll just get right into it, because these lights are blinding the shit out of my eyes. So yeah, let's get on with it. Guys, so here's what's going on. A while ago, the trucks sprang a fuel leak. It had to get towed in. I think it was 400 or 500 kilometers. When I got here, I'm here at a dealership. It's a Humber Motors Ford. It had to be towed in here into Corner Brook. It's the only place to fix these things, these diesels. And anyways, three times, they tried to charge me $500. Once was because the fuel line, they said, wasn't under warranty, which was bullshit. Got that under warranty. Then they wanted $500 for all the plastic pieces that's broken. This piece here, they wanted $500 for that. That plastic piece down there also broke. They wanted $500. The wheel well liners are no longer existent. These plastic bits on the lights came out. Now, the dealership where I bought the truck from in Labrador City at the other end of the province said that they would see what they could do and try their best. This one, So I told them to forget about that. That's the second time they tried to charge me $500. And anyway, so that's fine. The truck gets fixed. I get a call later on, way later on, saying your truck is fixed, you owe us $500. God, by this time, you know, they're pretty hard up for $500. So it turns out that the DEF code came up, and the dreaded DEF code, and they drained the tank and put a couple more gallons of DEF in it and charged me $500 for it. That is not worth it's a couple hours work. And DEF, it's only worth maybe $20 for like 3 or 4 gallons of it. No, it was messed up. So anyways, the big problem is they didn't tell me they were going to do it before they did. I gave them a call, said, you know, that's not okay. I didn't want this done. My plan was to delete the truck as soon as it had problems, which, I mean, we all want to see anyways. Either way, I could have left the truck on high idle for maybe a couple hours and ran some good DEF through it. It would have fixed itself. Delete, idle it for an hour, or bring it to another shop and get it done for $200. Let's hop in the truck here. Ain't fitting through that. So anyways, that was all fine and dandy. I called up, said, you know, it's not okay. You can't do work. It's a law here and pretty much everywhere. You cannot, a garage cannot do work and charge for it without notifying the paying customer. That's exactly what they did. I have a screenshot on my phone of no calls being made. They called my house phone a week after it was done. Anyways, I told them, you know, it's not legal, you can't do it. The guy, you know, he got a bit nervous and fidgety on the phone. He didn't really know what to say. And anyways, then he just got mad and said, the only way you're getting this truck is to pay $500. I don't know how this is going to work. So far, you know, it's not my first bad experience with this dealer. If you look back through my videos, I might put the link in the description. I got an F250, a new F250, 2017 diesel, just to see what it was going to be like. And the guy was happy at first, but anyways, when it came time to do the test drive, he was not happy at all. Maybe he was just having a bad day, rough day, busy day, he was tired. Maybe the cameras ticked him off a bit. either way, you know, I'd give him the benefit of the doubt, but he was not very happy, and I was in the market to buy a new truck, obviously, right? We're gonna go in there now and see what they have to say, see if they're gonna make it right. You know, I like this dealer. I like, you know, it's in a convenient location. There are some good people working here. You know, dealt with a couple of them, you know, good people. I don't know, we're just gonna see what happens. So just head in there now.
Life is school that never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like cause it's cold outside and I don't know why. I'm just living my life.
I have an F350 that I dropped off a while ago for work. It was you? Yeah. It's warranty work. Is it done? Is it done?
Well, what was done to it, yeah.
Yeah.
Your best bet is go speak to Eric, go, buddy.
Is it?
Yeah. Service manager.
Okay. How's it going? Here.
How you doing?
See you again.
You too.
So what happened with the warranty work that turned into work that I didn't know about?
Well, we got it in, we realised, well, I'll tell you, when we got it in, we traced the coals that was in it, and the DEF was contaminated, so we had to, you know, verify it, we had to drain it, and that's what we had to put fresh DEF in it, and that took care of the problem. There it goes, and away to go.
So why would you do that without letting me know first, so to make sure it was okay? Because I mean, it could idle. You could have idled it out of the shop and just say, listen, there's a big problem here.
Yeah. You know, when you got it in, you wanted to get it fixed, so you needed the truck right away, you know.
Oh, well, I needed to get back home, but I did say I have another truck.
Yeah.
That's what I've been using. I have another diesel.
Okay. Yeah.
But,
So, you know, we put you ahead of everybody else.
yeah.
I had 6 or 8 other vehicles in here. We put you ahead of everybody else to get it in, to get it
Yeah,
fixed.
no, I do appreciate that,
We
yeah.
had it fixed. You know, it was not under warranty. I can't make a claim. Ford's already told you that.
No, I knew
You
the
know,
DEF
so,
definitely
yeah,
wasn't under warranty
not under
because
warranty, you know,
it's
right?
stayed
You
clean.
know,
It's
you know, you still
stayed
would've
there,
been
yeah.
responsible for the couple of 2 or 3 hours that was into it.
Yeah.
Diagnosing it, that it wasn't warranty.
Yeah,
So,
diagnosing
you know,
was
right?
fine.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, the time that it took to drain it and refill it is just the smaller part of it.
But I mean,
You know,
and another thing,
right?
$500 to drain the tank?
Yeah, but that's the DEF deal. Well, $120 an hour. I mean, don't get lying, that, right?
No, I understand that.
Yeah.
It's-
You know, in hindsight,
No,
we should have
it,
left it until we got to it, you know, and then, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I thought we were doing you a favor.
oh yeah, no, I know that, but
Anyway, but, right?
see, my plan was to delete the
Mhm.
truck, right?
Yeah,
And I mean, $500 goes a long way
Yeah.
to a $1,000 delete,
yeah.
and you know that was going to be done. And also, they can be fixed, right? Leave them on high idle, and put good DEF in it because it was filled with good DEF, right? Because that code did come up. So I mean, you could have idled it, and it would have been. And just $500 was a bit very unexpected, but I do appreciate the work that you did and how. I just wanted to ask, you know,
Yeah.
could we split the bill in half? I got 250 that I'll pay, and then that'll be it. And I'll really appreciate
I
everything.
don't think I can split it in half. I would be able to do something for you. I would be able to help you, but I can't split
So I mean, like $120 an hour. I didn't know I was paying for these hours, right? I expected everything to be under warranty. If I would have known about it, you know, I could have. Like, I didn't get any messages. I didn't get anything. No calls.
The best I can do, you know, $300, $300 taxes.
Sounds good. I'll take.
Yeah, look after it.
All right, perfect. Thank you. I
Okay?
appreciate it.
No problem.
All right, so looks like the service manager had a bit of a change of heart. You know, I didn't want to cause too much trouble. It was just easier if, you know, things were done simple, things were done easy. I got him down to 300, as you saw. And you know, just went in there, polite. Anyways, that's not too bad. I mean, they did do the work. They put DEF in it. They changed, you know, they dropped the tank. You know, they're not making any money off this anyways. Problems fixed with the DEF, and good news, we can still afford to delete. So, I mean, I'm not sure when that's coming up, but it will be coming up. Or Might just wait till we trade the truck. I don't know what we're gonna do. You guys let me know what you want to see. You know, maybe we can use that money to, you know, put somewhere else on the channel. Who knows? So let me know what you guys want to see the most down below. Yeah. Alright, so we got 2 trucks back. That one's clean. That one needs to be washed tomorrow probably. Hi, mister. Now, I really, really like the F-250. Diesel deleted. She's super comfortable, super solid truck. Absolutely in love with that thing. But I must say I did miss the new one. You know, has nice little features. Love that sunroof. Love that panoramic sunroof. Beautiful steering wheel. What else did I find I missed? Just, yeah, the sound quality of the speaker system. It's just an incredible truck. Glad I have it back. Gonna wash it tomorrow. Needs a few things. Needs some plastic bits. Needs some buffing, protection. That bed needs to come off. It needs a flat bed. My God. But anyways, we got them back. And I don't know what truck to take. Take my beloved F-250. Clean, just detailed, beautiful, deleted, awesome truck. Or do we take the truck that I was missing for the last like month and a half? I want to take that one, but man, I have no idea. It's a pretty good problem to have. Alright, call my buddy. Alright, so my buddy just called me. We're just talking about like what we're gonna do, like when we're gonna go places. Literally just asked him red or black. New truck was red. Old truck was red. New truck was black. He said black. So F-350 it is. Change my mind, okay? Just stop it.